Welcome to Beautyistic, where we explore the tools and treasures that help you shine inside and out. If you're serious about nail care at home or just love a polished, professional look, the Beurer MP42 Nail Drill might just catch your eye. This is a 7-in-1 nail kit designed for both manicures and pedicures, featuring an electric nail file, buffer, and a set of strong sapphire, stainless steel, and felt drill bits. It even includes a bright LED light and comes in a convenient storage case. Right out of the box, the MP42 impresses with its thoughtful design. The kit includes 7 different drill bits, tailored for shaping, buffing, and removing tough nail layers. And there's a dust shield to help keep your workspace clean. A small touch that's surprisingly useful. The drill itself isn't cordless, but the 10-foot cord gives plenty of reach. The LED light is a standout feature, illuminating every corner of the nail, which makes precision work much easier, especially on toes or intricate designs. Using the MP42 felt surprisingly comfortable. The ergonomic grip keeps it secure in hand, even during longer sessions, and the dual rotation switch allows you to comfortably work on either hand or foot. I tested all 5 speed levels, from gentle filing on sensitive nails to tougher grinding for thicker toenails, and found the range versatile. The drill handled calluses and shaping without causing discomfort, and the sapphire bits in particular gave a smooth finish with minimal effort. One thing I really appreciated is the storage case. It keeps everything organized and portable, making this a kit that doesn't feel like it'll clutter your countertop. On the flip side, since it's not cordless, you do need to stay near an outlet, which might be slightly limiting for some. Also, while the build is solid, the plastic components feel a little lightweight compared to high-end professional units. But for home use, it's perfectly adequate. The MP42's value is strong, especially for someone looking to elevate their at-home nail game without spending hundreds on salon equipment. Compared to other electric nail files in the market, it strikes a nice balance between functionality, price, and versatility. Some higher-end models offer cordless operation or a more robust motor, but they often come with a much higher price tag. For most users, the MP42 provides professional-level results at a fraction of the cost. Overall, the Beurer MP42 is reliable, versatile, and user-friendly. The ergonomic design, adjustable speeds, dual rotation, and included LED light all add up to a well-rounded home nail kit. If you want to step up your nail care routine, this drill kit is worth considering. If this review has been helpful to you, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you so much for watching Beautyistic. If you've tried the MP42, drop a comment below and share your experience. We'd love to hear your thoughts. Until next time, stay beautiful, inside and out.